come shop with me at Michael's and see what they have for Halloween. What do you think about these nutcrackers? I'm not sure about nutcrackers for Halloween. I like them for Christmas, but I'm not sure. What do you think about pink Halloween? I love pink Halloween, especially pink and orange with the turquoise. That's my colors. What do you think about these old phones? I don't think you should decorate with those if you actually used one. I like the rainbow pumpkins. They're kind of cute. The sneakers, it doesn't scream Halloween to me. I like these pillows. The skeletons, I'm not sure about. What do you think about these rainbow ghosts? Like retro 70s ghosts and these big skeletons that take up my whole bed. Those shells are kind of neat, and I even kind of like this wreath. It would be easy to remake. They have a lot of like the villages for Halloween. It reminds me of the old train sets. I think you could put a train in with these, and it'd be pretty neat. They got the people, and they got I like the shoe. The old woman in the shoe. That's kind of neat. And they have the trees and all kinds of little things. The jukebox. Would you collect these? And here's the light up trees to go in, spooky trees to go in with them. And they also have people and characters just like they do with the train sets. Kind of reminds me of the train set. Or the Christmas villages. I guess you could go from your Halloween village to your Christmas village. There's even a bridge. Or walking path. They have the grass. All kinds of little things you could add with this. I like the jack-o'-lanterns. You could do a lot with those. Those could probably go on a tiered tray. Here's some more spooky houses. And my husband was looking at them, so I just nosed with him. This is about, and they also had these skeletons playing musical instruments. I like the train car. This one was kind of neat. I like that and the shoe. Tell me what you think about these houses.